Oh.
Alright, three's a charm, huh?
Poor Aria.
Dude, they're going nuts. This cat is 24 years old, right, babe?
Look at her and Charlie eat about the same. Yeah, she is. Aria eats like so dainty.
At least one of them does.
Cece's like.
She's pushing their way their side of their heads. This is ridiculous.
And this is all.
Dog food.
What
All right,
dog
let's
food?
see what our big dog likes. Here, guys. So Katie doesn't want me to put on the floor. I'll respect that.
Ah.
Move. So he's already at the door. Sit. Hey. What's this? You like it?
You're not gonna get out of the package one?
Yeah, you get it.